Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain some more trigonometrical identities proofs. Okay, in this, some more problems related to identities. These are also trigonometric identities. Show that first problem is 1 plus secant a by secant a is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos square a. So, problem is 1 plus secant a by secant a is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. This is the given problem. Now, in this, it is better to take RHS, that is easy, because in terms of sin cos there. So, that's why taking RHS. Taking RHS. What is RHS? Sin square a by 1 minus cos a only RHS. Now, in this, what we can write? Sin square is there. So, formula is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So, according to that, this sin square theta, instead of this, we can write 1 minus cos square theta. Here a angle there means angle a by 1 minus cos a. Right. Okay. Now, the answer, that means RHS we are taking, this we should prove to LHS. LHS side secant is there, that's why cos is there, cos is reciprocal of secant 2. Then better to convert into secant. Easily we can convert because secant is inverse to cos. So, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. That you know, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. For that, instead of cos, 1 by secant we can write, square is there means square you write, by 1 by here square not there, 1 by cos a only write. Here 1 by 1 write, 1 by 1 write, because fractions. Now, see, here secant square is LCM. Secant square is LCM, secant square times secant square a times 1 time 1 into 1, 1. Next down, only cos a is LCM because 1 is there, cos a LCM, 1 in this cos a times cos a into 1, cos a minus cos a in this 1 time 1 into 1, 1. Now, that, see, secant square a minus 1 by secant square a into, this is, here see what I wrote, instead of 1 by secant a, we are changing no cos, so secant a. Here also what? Secant a is LCM, secant a is LCM, then secant a minus c 1 time 1, okay? We converted into secant, cos not, okay. Now, this is reverse, secant a by secant a minus 1, okay? This becomes this one, because this is into reciprocal this one. Now, secant a, here square is there, that's why secant a times cancel, because a square is there, a in a square, a times, that you know, okay. Now, so according to that, this one. Now what left? Secant square a minus 1 by, here 1 secant a is there, into secant a minus 1 is there. Now, if you observe, this one is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, square is 1 is there means anytime, minus is there means you can think that may be in a square minus b square form. Square is there, for secant also square is there. So, this is a square minus b square. That means a plus b, a is secant a, b is 1, into a minus b. This we can write in that form. Now, down secant a into secant a minus 1 is there. These two are product. Secant a minus 1 is there, secant a minus 1 is there. All this term is cancelled. Now, remaining term is secant a plus 1 by secant a. So, that is, we took RHS, that we showed to LHS. This is LHS, reverse. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS or RHS is equal to LHS. Anyway, see, sometimes these identities we will take LHS and show RHS. Sometimes we will take LHS and show RHS, and sometimes RHS showing LHS. Anyway, no problem. That is according to our convenience. Now, the second problem is this one. Okay, here only second problem there. This one, you see, first taking LHS, both are tan, similarly taking, both are in tan cot terms only, that's why taking LHS. LHS you take 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. I told if we convert into here, directly formula there means no need to convert into sin A cos A, because we know the identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A, 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Formulas are there. So that's why these are directly formulas. 1 plus tan square A is there. We can write secant square A. 1 plus cot square A is A there. We can write cosecant square A. This is simple, directly there. Now, further simplification, then now we can simplify, convert into sin cos. Because this secant is reciprocal to cos, this becomes 1 by cos square A by cosecant is reciprocal to sin, that's why that is sin square A. Okay, this becomes 1 by cos square A into this is sin square A by 1. Now what left? Sin square A by cos square A. We know sin by cos is tan, so tan square A. Now further simplification no need. Now sometimes LHS does not directly give the answer, does not reduce it to RHS. So that's why how much simplification possible, up to that you take and leave off. Then you take RHS also, that also simplify. Then both values should be equal, like that also. Sometimes RHS directly not equal to LHS, or LHS directly not equal to RHS. We can reduce it to some very, that means we can simplify. So the simplification answers on the left hand side and right hand side equal, then also LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, we simplified the LHS, its answer is tan square A. Okay, leave off. Now we will take RHS and simplify. Taking RHS, now RHS we are taking 1 plus tan A by 1 plus cot A whole square. Now this one 1 plus tan square A formula is not there. 1 plus tan square A only formula there. 1 plus tan A whole square, no formula. That's why no need. We simply convert it to sin cos. So 1 by 1 plus tan is sin A by cos A by 1 plus 1 plus cot is 1 by 1 plus cot is cos A by sin A. For this whole square is there. Remember that. Now this is LCM. So cos A is LCM, cos A times plus 1 time sin A by down also LCM you do. For this sin A LCM, sin A times plus this same sin A 1 time cos A. For whole square is there. Now see, the square belongs to both numerator and denominator. In this also again numerator denominator. For this also square apply, for this also square apply, for this also, for this also. So that's why cos A plus sin A whole square by cos square A by sin A plus cos A whole square by sin square A. Now this cos A plus sin A whole square by cos square A, otherwise I will write here. Okay, this cos A plus sin A whole square by cos square A into this reverse means sin square A by cos A sin A. I will write sin A plus okay same. This is sin A plus cos A there, no? Cos A plus sin A I will write. Both is same. Square. Now easily you can understand, that's why. Totally cos square A plus sin square whole square, cos A plus sin A whole square, cos A plus sin A whole square, totally cancelled. So remaining is sin square A, remaining terms are sin square A by cos square A. We know sin by cos is tan square A. First we simplified LHS, that's value is tan square A. Next we simplified RHS, that's value also tan square A. So that's why LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, like this sometimes directly not equal, some simplified, the simplified value is equal also, the given identity is proved. Okay. The next problem is there, third problem is secant A minus 1 by secant A plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Now taking LHS. Taking LHS. LHS is secant A minus 1 by secant A plus 1. We know secant A is reciprocal of cos. So that's why cos A you can write. So many times I told secant A is equal to 1 by cos A minus 1 by 1. Down also secant A 1 by cos A plus 1 is there 1 by 1. Now this here you do. Here cos A, LCM is cos A 1 time minus cos A into 1 is cos A whole by, down also cos A. Cos A cancel 1 plus 1 in this cos A times cos A into 1 cos A. Now I am doing here that 1 minus cos A by cos A into this reverse cos A by 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A. Cos A can be cancelled, remaining 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Okay, that is RHS. Here directly. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS we took directly, RHS came. But maybe some problems will not come. In that cases RHS also you simplify. Okay, I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.